In this video, I will show you how to record screen on laptop. So let's begin our video. So guys, I'm gonna show you a default feature. You don't need any kind of apps or something else. You can easily record your laptop screen. So very first, you just need to press Windows plus G key together. And if you just select it, and then there have a option or pop up here, you can see there have a simple icon on here. It's also for start recording, and on the right side there have an option for mic. It's turn off. If you want to turn it on, just click here, and here you can see turn on. Right now just click here, and here you can see recording already started. Right now you can record everything on your laptop. If you just want to turn off it, just click here, and here you can see the recording already stopped. And if you want to see your recording, so just click see my captures, just select it, and you can find your uh, record files on here. So guys, in this way you can record laptop screen very easily. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.